up to Whitetop Mountain, top of the world. Views that you can see for miles around, and you can see it for miles around. You can actually see it from curated properties on clear days, which is pretty cool. Alright, turning off to Whitetop Mountain officially. About maybe a mile, 2 miles up the road, you take a left. You're coming in from the highway. Little Widowmaker right here over the road. This area was absolutely destroyed by Hurricane Helene. You can see it's almost clear cut. It was so bad. This road, at least at this point, easy to do, two-wheel drive, passenger vehicle. They've done some work on it throughout the summer, it looks like. Or earlier this year we came up, it was decent, but had some areas that were not too bad, but this is pretty straightforward right now.